Good morning, everybody. This is our second online session for grammar. We will continue with the hyphens. In the previous lesson, we discussed the hyphens, some points about hyphens. We said what a hyphen is. A hyphen is a punctuation mark used to join words or parts of words. It's not a dash. It's completely different from a dash. We have some cases like two-word adjectives before a noun. If we use two words to describe a noun, if those two words function as adjectives, they should be hyphenated, but be careful. They should be hyphenated only if they come before the word that they describe. If they come after it, there's no need for hyphen. We also said that we use hyphens with a noun, adjective, or adverb, and a present participle used together as an adjective. And the present participle is a word that ends with ing, like beautiful looking, for example. Also, the same case here, we only use a hyphen if the word and the participle come before the modified word. If they come after it, there's no need. We said that we should not use the hyphen with ly adjectives, adverbs that end in ly, like heavily. When we say heavily decorated, even if they come before the word is modified, we do not use a hyphen. Compound expressions with a noun and past participle like community-based, well-known, also should be hyphenated if they come before the modified word. And the last thing we discussed was compound words or compound nouns. And we said that we have three cases. Compound nouns are either separate, combined as one word, or hyphenated. And we know from a dictionary, it's the only way to find out whether this word is hyphenated or not. Check your dictionary. Today we're going to continue hyphens and numbers. The numbers between 21 and 99 should be hyphenated. The numbers between 21 and 99 should be hyphenated, like 66, like 99, whatever. Any number which consists of two words should be hyphenated. Case number 2 in today's session, because we've had cases before. Hyphen and compound adjectives with numbers. Like when I say we're going to have a 5-minute break, a 10-minute speech. In this case, there should be a hyphen between the number and the word, even if the number is written in words, not in digits. Here, in this case, 10 minute, a 10-minute, it's written in digits. Even if I write it in words, it should be hyphenated too. But the case is, we use this when we use the number and the word as an adjective. Again, 10-minute describes the speech, okay? 15-minute describes the break. And be careful, we should not say 10 minutes, no, only 10 minutes, a 10-minute break, a 10-minute speech. Third case for today, adjectives with fractions. When using a fraction like half, a quarter, as a part of a compound adjective, it should be hyphenated so the reader understands which fraction is modifying which noun. I half wanted to commit a felony. $250,000 is still a large amount of money. That's a half-baked idea. So when we use fractions in compound adjectives, we should also use a hyphen. Hyphens with prefixes. We have 3 prefixes here, like X, self, and own. When we use them, we should add a hyphen, like don't sit Adam next to Martha. She's his ex-wife. Though he no longer held an official position, the ex-mayor still attended the town's functions. Herself. Lying on the floor beside the plant he had knocked over and chewed on, the cat looked extremely self-satisfied. Do you want a self-serve or a full serve? So, a gas station. So again, today we started with using hyphens with numbers, and we said that the numbers from 21 to 99 should be hyphenated. We also talked about compound adjectives that have numbers like the famous example, a 10-minute break, 15-minute speech, a 45-minute class. There must be a hyphen here. Also, fractions with adjectives should be hyphenated. And prefixes like X, self, and all should be followed by a hyphen. So this is the last thing for hyphens matter. Next time we're going to discuss a new topic. Again, you will be sent an assignment that must be done within 3 days. See you next week, inshallah.